Hello students, in this lesson we're gonna do the very first thing we should do with our Spark Fun Inventors Kit. So go ahead and get the booklet out of the kit and turn to page 3, intro. This talks about baseplate assembly. Okay, so what you're gonna need is the baseplate, the breadboard, the red board, and the screwdriver that comes with it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to assemble this. So here's the screwdriver that comes in your kit. Okay, so notice this slides out, the screwdriver part slides out, the Phillips head and flathead side. That slides out and pops back in. You're gonna want it on the Phillips head part or side. Okay, next you're gonna find the base plate and the breadboard. The base plate will have these little screws inside the bag. They're probably going to be inside the bubble wrap, but they should be definitely somewhere in your kit, so find those. And then you're going to see a baggie with a red board in it. Okay, so find that, put that in front of you. Alright, so on page 3 it says that you got to remove the sticky back of the breadboard, and you're going to peel it and place it on the base plate assembly. So you have to carefully align it. So it says the breadboard, align the breadboard carefully over the spot on the base plate. The text on the breadboard should face the same direction as the text on the base plate. So here's the base plate. Here's the text. See how they line up? So ABC, Spark Fun. Okay, so you peel this off, stick this down on there, and then you're ready for the next step. Okay, so I peeled that off, that's stuck. Okay. So now you have these little screws, there should be 2 of them. Don't lose them. And then the red board. Take that out of the baggie, be very gentle with it. There's holes on the red board, and then there's these places where you're going to screw into on the base plate. So you're going to set that on top of there like that. Okay, we're going to line up this hole first. Let me see if I can get a better shot of this. So line that up. Okay, put the screw right there. Okay. And then push down and start screwing it in until it's just tight. Don't make it any tighter than you need to because you don't want to break the plastic. And then the top right one right here, that gets a screw. This might be a little bit magnetized, that's okay. Screw that in. Try a different angle here. Woo! Okay, it's not going in. Let me push a little harder. The phone's in the way. There's no threads on the plastic thing that you're screwing into, so it might be a little difficult. There we go. That's what it should look like. This focus isn't working very well. Okay, so you should have a screw in the top right and a screw in the bottom left. And that wraps up your base plate assembly, and you can move on to the next lesson.